Hey coding sorry, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to see port forwarding in Linux using Ngrok. So we have already made previous video explaining Ngrok, how to install it in Kali Linux. If you haven't seen it, please go and watch that. So let us begin without any further delay. First of all, open your terminal. I'll tell you what we will do. We will first create a server using Python http.server module, and thereafter we will forward port. Okay. So first of all, we will navigate to directory which we want to serve. For example, I want to serve my directory. Okay. So to start local server, we will give command python, and we are going to use module http.server, which I have already mentioned, and we are going to use 8080 port. You can mention any other, but I am going to use 8080. So I'll press enter. Now our local server is live hosting out directly, right? Now once your server is live, you have to open another tab by clicking on top left. So you have not closed that, because if you close it, your server will be closed. So just open it. It will again increase its size. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use forward port. For that we'll give Ngrok and HTTP, and port which we have already mentioned. We have mentioned is 8080, so we'll write 8080. Okay. Once you have given this command, just press enter and wait for some time. Session status is connecting. Okay, now our session status is online. Okay, you can see what is being forwarded. Link this. Just copy this link, and now you can open it anywhere. For example, I'm opening in my Firefox, and if I just enter this link and press enter, since we are not a member of Ngrok, we don't have any plan. So this page is being displayed. Just click visit site. And yeah, here we are our home directory. If I'm going back and just creating another tab, and if I press ls, you can see all the tab listed over here. Sorry, all the subdirectory here, and you can see it has all. You are watching file with dot extension. So to watch that, you have to simply click ls. That's all, and you can see all the file mentioned over here. It has been displayed over here too. Or we can navigate from here. For example, I'm navigating to downloads, and in downloads I have T-bomb and all that stuff. I can open T-bomb, and there are this much files. So you can from here let us navigate to downloads. For example, cd downloads ls, and you can see we have T-bomb. And if we navigate to T-bomb and press ls, you can see we have all these files. So you can watch, we are hosting our home directory using http, right? Thereafter we have forwarded port using ngrok command, and you can see after forwarding I have just copied this link, forwarding link, and that's it. Here we have forwarded it successfully. You can even share this link to your friends, and you can even access this content using remote computers, and by this way we can forward our board using Ngrok. To close this, you have to press Ctrl+C and come here and press Ctrl+C, and it has been closed. So now simply cut it. By this way, you can expose your local server to the internet using Ngrok in Kali Linux. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. If you have any question, drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.